You might be able to find the exact same material in another format, or you might be able to discover more information at their website. 1. Make sure the time is right. It's hard to take the time and psychological area for dating, but thinking it through might assist you achieve clarity. When you've figured out how essential it is to you, your decisions about dating will become clearer. Whether you desire to set aside 2 nights each week or 1 early morning monthly for dating, it depends on you. 2. Ditch the regret. If you are ready to date, advise yourself that in addition to being a mother, you are very first and foremost a lady with a variety of wants and requires, states Jacqueline Friedenthal, Psy. Wanting a satisfying romantic life does not indicate you're selfish, it indicates you are a flourishing, healthy female. Though finding time as a single parent can be tough, remind yourself that you are worthy of to have your desires and requires met. Plus, your joy might permit you to be a more mindful, present, and loving parent. 3. You'll desire any prospective dates to know in advance that you have kids. Obscuring the truth will only lose your time in the long term. Do not say sorry or feel the requirement to describe why you are a single mom and dad, Dr. Friedenthal states. You desire individuals to like you for you, not a made variation of yourself. How essential is somebody's schedule, income, or family? Then if you're planning on dating online, make sure it works for you to discover individuals by these requirements. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.